How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book. Open your EVS Volume 1 course book, page number 55. Page number 55. Amma, in the previous class, I explained about the food chain. Yes, in the previous class, I explained about the food chain and what are carnivorous animals, what are herbivorous animals, and what are omnivores, along with what is photosynthesis. What is called photosynthesis? Plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. With the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide in the air, and water in the soil. By using these, plants make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants are the producers. Remaining all animals, birds and humans are called consumers. We are consuming means we are using. We all called as consumer. Only the plants are called as producers. Why plants are called producers? Because plants make their own food. Plants make their own food. That's what they are called producers. Okay. Now, plants exhibit amazing diversity. There are wild plants, cultivated plants and weeds. Amma, plants are different types. Different kinds of plants are there. Wild plants are there, cultivated plants are there, and weeds are there. 3 types of plants, 3 species of plants are there. First one is wild plants, cultivated plants, wild plants, cultivated plants, and also weeds. What are wild plants? Let's learn. Grow on their own in a natural state, which no human interference and care. Cultivated plants are grown by human beings for their use. This man is trying to remove a plant. Why? It is an undesirable or unwanted plant. These plants often grow, spread fast, and pose a serious threat to desirable. Cultivated plants, such plants are called weeds. A weed can be defined simply as wild plant in the wrong place. Here, wild plants. First one is wild plants. Wild plants grow in the forest, not only forest, in another places also, but for wild plants, humans not giving the support to the wild plants. Wild plants may grow themselves. Wild plants grow themselves. They grow by themselves. Here, humans are not giving the support for the wild plants. Human support is not needed. Human support is no need for the wild plants. They They grow themselves. Here cultivated plants are there. First we will learn about the cultivated plants. Cultivated plants. Here human support is needed. Humans grow these plants. Humans grow these plants. They are the cultivated plants. Example, fruits. Who are growing? Humans are growing them. Humans are giving support. We are watering the plants. We are using the pesticides and spraying the chemicals to grow them. Means for the cultivated plants, human support is there. Humans are growing those plants. Fruits plants, vegetables plants, flower plants. Okay, these are and also these are cultivated by the humans. So they are called cultivated plants. Cultivated plants grow with the support of the humans. Cultivated plants can grow with the support of the humans. Humans దానికి వాటర్ పోస్తూ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేస్తూ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ వేస్తూ కెమికల్స్ వేస్తూ దాన్ని పెంచుతారు. That is, they are called cultivated plants. If you don't give water to those plants, if you don't give the water to cultivated plants, they may die. Understand me? If you don't give water, if you don't water the plants, they may die. That's what they are the cultivated plants. They cultivated by the humans. Cultivated plants grow with the help of the humans. Humans are cultivated them. Understand me? If you don't give water, if you don't give anything, they may die. So human support is needed here for the cultivated plants. But wild plants, they grow themselves. They grow పిచ్చి చెట్లు అంటారు చూడండి. రోడ్ పక్క నుండి మనం రోడ్కి అటువైపు ఇటువైపు పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంటాయి, చూస్తారా మీరు? They grow themselves. Humans are not giving support to them. If you give water, if you don't give water also, they may grow. మనం వాటర్ పోసినా పోయకపోయినా ఆ చెట్లు పెరుగుతూనే ఉంటాయి. They are called wild plants. Here human support is not there, and also they are not useful for the human consumption. Understand me? Wild plants grow by themselves. Humans support is no needed to the wild plants. Wild plants ki human support avasram ledu. They themselves grow. But cultivated plants need the support of the humans. Cultivated plants untani మనం యూస్ చేసేవన్నీ cultivated plants. Rice, wheat. Okay. Rice, wheat, different types of pulses, different types of cereals. Okay. All types of vegetables, all types of fruits, all types of flowers. These are all examples for the cultivated plants. These can't grow themselves, no? ఇవన్నీ మనం పెంచితేనే పెరుగుతాయి. వాటితో అవి పెరుగుతాయా? No. So those are the cultivated plants. One plant is there, one fruit. What is that? Custard apple. Custard apple is a wild plant only because it will grow in the forest areas, hill areas. Hill areas ante hill station lo perugutuntadi ekkuva custard apple. Adi wild plant. But we are using the fruit. దానికి కూడా మన సపోర్ట్ అవసరం లేదు. అమ్మ కస్టర్డ్ యాపిల్ ప్లాంట్ గ్రో బై ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. దానికి అదే పెరుగుతుంది. అక్కడ మనం హిల్ స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళి వాటర్ పట్టేస్తామా? ఎక్కువ కస్టర్డ్ యాపిల్స్ హిల్ స్టేషన్లో పెరుగుతాయి చెట్లు. మనమైతే హిల్ స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళి వాటర్ పట్టేరాం కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వైల్డ్ ప్లాంట్, బట్ వీ యూజ్ దోస్ ఫ్రూట్స్. Okay, dates also. Dates grow in desert areas. They also need a less rainfall. వాటికి కూడా చాలా తక్కువ వాటర్ కావాలి డేట్స్ కూడా. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వీడ్స్. వీడ్స్ అమ్మ హ్యూమన్ కల్టివేట్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ నో. హీ కల్టివేటెడ్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ అంటే ఫ్రూట్స్ కానీ ఫ్రూట్స్ ప్లాంట్స్ కానీ వెజిటేబుల్ ప్లాంట్స్ కానీ సెరల్స్ పల్సెస్ ఇవన్నీ పెంచుతాడు కదా. ఇన్ ద empty areas the wasted plants may grow. They are called weeds. When the human is cultivating the plants, cultivate చేసేటప్పుడు అంటే రైస్ని కానీ వీటిని కానీ గ్రో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎంటీ స్పేసెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఖాళీ ప్లేసెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ సాయిల్లో అక్కడ ఈ వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ పెరుగుతాయి. Weed is a waste plant. This is also called as wild plant. Wasted plant. Weeds are the wasted plants. The waste plants may grow in the empty areas in the cultivated plants. Cultivated plants లలో ఉన్న empty areas లో పెరుగుతుంటాయి. Okay? When the weeds are grown, see in the picture, a man is plucking the plant. Why he is plucking the plant? Because it is a weed. It is the unwanted plant. ఇక్కడ రైస్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అక్కడ ప్యాడీ ప్లాంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూసారా. ప్యాడీ ప్లాంట్స్ మధ్యలో ఒక వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ పెరిగింది చూసారా. దట్ ఈస్ a weed. That is the unwanted plant. Unwanted plants are called a weed. The weeds may grow in the empty areas of the cultivated plant. That's what he is plucking up. Why is plucking up? It is the wasted plant. ఆ వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ అక్కడే ఉందనుకో, ఈ వీడ్స్ వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ కదా అవి అక్కడే ఉన్నాయనుకో, మిగతా చెట్లు అంటే వాట్ ఆర్ ద నీడెడ్, the cultivated plants won't grow properly. Understand అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మీకు. If the weeds are there among the cultivated plants మధ్యలో ఈ weeds కూడా ఉన్నాయనుకోరా, this weed unable to make the cultivated plants to grow. ఆ పక్కనున్న మంచి చెట్లను పెరగనివ్వదు, cultivated plants పెరగనివ్వదు. That's what he is plucking up. Here weed is a unwanted plant. Weed is a unwanted plant. Okay, come on next. In India, these plants grow by the roadside and always railway tracks. Roadside and railway tracks. And uncultivated plants and wastelands beside invading agriculture fields. This causes lung, eye, and skin diseases in human beings. Identify this notorious weed. Have you seen this tree? Have you seen anywhere this tree? This is a dangerous tree. It is a bad tree, bad plant. Here, notorious weed means bad qualities. A weed is having the bad qualities. It is also a weed. It is also a weed. Weed means wasted plant. Weed means waste plant, which is not useful to us, which is not used for the human consumption. అంటే మన అవసరాలకు అది యూస్ కాని ప్లాంట్ అది, and also having bad qualities. This is a dangerous plant. As in the picture now, this plant is a dangerous plant. It grows near the roadside and near to the railway tracks and also empty areas. It grows on the empty areas. It is a dangerous plant. Why it is dangerous? It may cause this plant may cause lungs, eye and skin diseases in the humans. Understand me? So that's what it is, a dangerous plant. If we touch that plant, it may cause skin problem, eye problem and lungs infection. We may get those diseases by touching this plant. So it is a dangerous plant. If you have seen this plant anywhere in your locality, you must cut down it. Understand me? It is a dangerous weed. Next, plants can grow indoor and outdoor. Amma, some of the plants are indoor, means inside we can, in our houses, we may grow those plants. They are called indoor plants. And some plants are grown outside in the fields. They are the outdoor plants. Here these are the indoor plants, these are the outdoor plants. Okay? మన ఇండ్లలో పెంచుకునేటివి ఇండోర్ ప్లాంట్స్ రా, ఫీల్డ్స్లలో పెంచేటివి, గార్డెన్స్లో పెంచేవి అవుట్డోర్ ప్లాంట్స్. ఓకే, ఓపెన్ ప్లేస్ కావాలి దానికి చాలా. Some plants are small and weak, whereas some are big and strong. Based on this, plants can be classified into 4 types. All types of plants are not same. All plants are same. Some are big in size. Some are small. Some are tall. Some are short. Some are very weak. Some are very strong. Like different types of plants are there. Different types of plants are there. Let's learn how many types of plants are there. Creepers and climbers. First one is creepers and climbers. Types of plants. These are the types of plants. Creepers and climbers. Second one is herbs. Second one is herbs. Third one is shrubs. You know very well about this. Last one is trees. You know very well. Already you learned about these in the previous class. Means in your first class, second class, third class you learn now. What are creepers and climbers? They need the support. The creepers and climbers may crawl on the ground. Here, creepers may crawl on the ground. Creepers may crawl on the ground. Climbers may climb up to the wall. They will take the one support. They may climb up by taking a stick support or a thread support. By taking a support, they may climb to the terrace. They are called climbers. The creepers may crawl on the ground. అది క్రీపర్స్ కిందనే అంటే మన గ్రౌండ్ పైనే క్రాల్ చేస్తారా. క్లైంబర్స్ ఏమో పైకి ఎక్కుతాయి. ఇట్ మే క్లైంబ్ అప్ టు అవర్ టెర్రస్. మన టెర్రస్ పైకి కూడా ఎక్కిస్తుంటుంది అది. దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ climbers. These are the plants with weak stems. They creep along the ground or climb over a support. Here Nana, they have the weak stem. You have seen already jasmine plant ఎప్పుడు చూసారా? దీనికి చాలా weak stem ఉంటుంది. Jasmine is a climber. Grape plant also a climber. They have weak stem. Cucumber is a creeper. They may creep on the ground. Okay? Here. This is the climber. So this is a creeper. This is the climber. Here grapes plant also a climber. Okay? They have the weak stem. Creepers and the climbers both have the వీక్ స్టెమ్, చాలా వీక్ స్టెమ్ ఉంటుంది. మీలో మీరు జాస్మిన్ ప్లాంట్ చూసే ఉంటారు కదా, జాస్మిన్ ప్లాంట్కి స్టెమ్ చాలా వీక్గా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ హర్బ్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ ప్లాంట్స్ విచ్ గ్రీన్, టెండర్ అండ్ నాన్ woody stems. Amma, herbs are also small plants. Example tulasi. Amma, herbs are the small plants and having a weak stem. They too have a weak stem and it is in with green color. The herbs are in green color and tender means easy to cut, means having the weak stem. మనం ఈజీగా దాన్ని కట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ ద వీక్ స్టెమ్. అండ్ నాన్ వుడ్ స్టెమ్స్, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ వుడ్ స్టెమ్స్ ఉండవు, దానికి స్టెమ్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఉండవు. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ ద వీక్ స్టెమ్. నెక్స్ట్ shrubs. These are bushy plants. They typically branch near the ground and so have several narrow stems rather than a single trunk. Stems are woody but not thick. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are the bushy plants. Here we have seen in the picture. Shrubs are the bushy plants. అంటే గుబురుగా ఉంటుంది. Amma, shrubs are here is a shrub is having a stem. It is a stem, no? Through the stem only it is having a lot of branches. ఇక్కడ స్టెమ్స్ అంటే గ్రౌండ్ దగ్గర నుండి దానికి అంటే ఎక్కువ బ్రాంచెస్ వస్తుంటాయి. లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బుషీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాంచెస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టెమ్, ఫ్రమ్ నియర్ టు ద గ్రౌండ్. గ్రౌండ్ దగ్గర నుండి దానికి ఎక్కువ బ్రాంచెస్ వస్తుంటాయి. నార్మల్గా మనం చెట్లు చూస్తాం రా, పెద్ద పెద్ద చెట్లు చూస్తాం, అది స్టెమ్ ఇంత పెద్ద స్టెమ్ అయ్యాక పైన నుండి బ్రాంచెస్ వస్తుంటాయి, అవునారా? We can see lot of branches at the top of the stem. ఇక్కడ ఇంత పెరిగాక అప్పుడు అక్కడ బ్రాంచెస్ వస్తుంటాయి. బట్ ఫర్ ద shrubs we can see the lot of branches near to the ground only. ఇక్కడ చాలా గ్రౌండ్కి దగ్గరలోనే బాగా బ్రాంచెస్ వస్తాయిరా, అందుకనేది బుషీగా కనబడుతుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? దట్స్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ shrub and bushy plant. Okay, example rose plant. See how it is so bushy now. Next, trees are tall, big, strong plants. Their stems grow wide and become trunks. Generally they have branches on the upper part of the trunk. Understand me? They usually live for many years. Observe the trees in this picture. Are all these trees are same from the shape. Here Nana, trees are taller than the plants. All the plants are very short. Shrubs, herbs, these two are very small. But trees are taller than the plants. Plants kante chala ettuga perugutayi. Okay, here shrubs are getting the branches at the down part. It is getting the branches near to the from near to the ground. But the trees are getting the branches at the upper part of the trunk. This is a trunk. This is called stem ante ivitinni stem antamra. Trunk and stem both are same. Trunk anna stem anna rendu okate. When the stem grows bigger, it is called trunk. Trunk and stem both are same. Trunk anna ide, stem anna ide. This is called stem because it is small. It is thin and small. But this is huge. ఇది చాలా పెరిగిపోయింది, పెద్దగా ఉంది. It is huge. It is big. That's what it is called trunk. and trunk both are same. But why we call trunk? Because this stem grows bigger. పెద్దగా పెరిగిపోయింది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ట్రంక్ అన్నాం. ఓకే, the trees may get to the branches. Trees grows taller. Trees grows taller, చాలా పెద్దగా పెరుగుతాయి. Where they get the branches? They get the branches at the upper part of the trunk. ఇక్కడ అప్పర్ పార్ట్ ఉంది కదా, అప్పర్ పార్ట్ దగ్గర నుండి దాని బ్రాంచెస్ పెరుగుతుంటాయి. They may get the branches. That's what it is called a tree. Is there any difference between a shrub and a tree? Shrubs are getting the branches from the ground, near to the ground, but the tree is getting the branches at the upper part of the trunk. Okay, and you have seen the different plants now. Are the same? Are all the plants are looking same? All the plants are here. All the trees, sorry. All the trees are looking same? No, they are not looking same. They are different. Here, this is different. It is also looking different. It is also looking different. All the plants are not same. They are different in size and shape. Some plants grow very tall. Some plants grow very tall. Some plants grow normal size. Okay, and some plants grow. Some plants may live for many years. Some plants may live for many years. Some plants may die within a few years. Understand? All the plants are not same. Okay, today's class is completed. Bye.